I want to urge this House to agree that we summon Mr. President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria together with his financial team to please come to this House in line with the provision of the Constitution to brief Nigerians exactly what is happening, because the stories are not complimentary at all. We cannot explain to the constituents what is happening. Today we collect money, we will not be able to give a proper explanation for it. The budgets are not being implemented. Presently in Nigeria today we are implementing 24, 25 and 26 budgets running concurrently.
The two gadgets amendment.
We want to use this opportunity to invite the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to this very hallowed chamber to come and explain to the Nigerian people and also to the Parliament on how
what we are saying is not contained in the draft you gave me.
On how we can have the vote run in order to ensure that the 2024, 2025, 2026 budget is implemented as the father of the nation. Yeah, prayer 5 says, constitute an ad hoc committee to interface with the relevant fiscal authorities on the state of releases, the settlement of contractor liabilities, and the utilization of approved borrowing, and report back to the House within 4 weeks for further legislative action, comprising the Chairman Committee on Appropriation as chairman, and the following as members: the Chief Whip of the House, the Minority Whip, the Chairman Committee on Finance, the Chairman Committee on Aids and Loans, Committee on Budget.
You did not pray for Mr. President to come in the motion you gave me. What you sought for and the prayer you requested for is for an ad hoc committee to be set up. Mr. Mascot, everything in this life should have an honor.
Your Excellency,
what you did is completely unparliamentary because you went completely away from what we gave. Your motion is right here, and I want you to bring your own copy so that we can compare what you read and what you have given me as the motion you want to present.